Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit those post notification bells so that you get notified whenever I post another video. So yeah guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Jamaican cornmeal porridge, guys. So stay tuned as I do it step by step so that you can understand. So yeah guys, and remember to follow me on my Facebook page at Erica Shackelford. Also follow me on Instagram at Fanika TV. Oh, should have speak over. Yeah guys, try to follow me on all platforms and also on TikTok at Fanika LKG. Yeah. May I try to catch this for you? Yeah, fine. Yeah guys, so check in guys the fire catch and everything. So me have some water. So this is the water, guys. We put in a pot. And I'm gonna add some sugar to the water and put it on the fire, guys. So I'm gonna put at least one 5 spoon. It. It's kind of this. It's kind of let the sugar to dissolve out first, little bit. Add it to the fire. We're gonna make it boil. But we're gonna make it stay on the. We're gonna make it stay on it till it's not boil. So yeah. Alright guys, so meanwhile the sugared water dip on the fire, we are going to get the cornmeal mix with some water. Putting some cornmeal. And you put the base pan how thick you want the porridge. Base pan how thick you want it, guys. That's how we have to feel. Add some water. And mix it right. Guys, this one like your water finally boil up. So this will be a thick porridge because I don't want it too watery. So yeah guys, I'm going to add in the cornmeal now because the water boil up. So add it. As we add in, we just mix. You guys have to continue mix it. Something if you know about it, yeah, feel good. Let's see. And we're gonna let this cook for at least half hour or more, right? Either 45 minutes or more, but we have to just keep on mixing it. That is the key of having smooth porridge. So yeah guys, these are my spices that I'm going to be using in the porridge after the cornmeal finish cook and everything. We're going to use them here for spice up. You ever get some nice cornmeal porridge and you wonder why it smells so nice like a piece of cake? It's because of the spices, and we're going to be putting these in. But you know, say when you boil the porridge guys, you have to give it a lot of TLC. You have to watch it, you have to over it because it will boil over. So stay tuned. My thighs them thick like dumpling. Look palm my big body jumping. My money thick like a cornmeal dumpling. Let this cook for 30 minutes guys. So we have to make sure so the cornmeal cook properly. Cornmeal get the hot everything. At that time.
Norway, Denmark, many locations will get impacted out of this, and back behind it, there is a mega that left in Bermuda. We put that on the back burner, but that is something we will be watching as well as we go forward. Now, it's a broad area where we're taking some preparations and more action mode. Obviously, a big difference, say, Scotland versus Belgium. Belgium along the coast, we need to stay very aware. High seas, strong winds, but as we swing back towards Scotland, we're making more in the way of pressure and possibility of damage, that sort of thing. Power
Alright guys, check in. I'm gonna put some fresh milk in the porridge. Smells really nice. So that me like with that milk. It smells good. Yeah guys, I will go put the spice them in it now. So we're gonna add in the spice. So the first spice is some vanilla, some Benjamin vanilla, guys. I mean like use Benjamin vanilla. I don't know why, because I feel like I the strongest vanilla there is right now. I'm gonna use some island spice, rose and almond. And then I'm gonna use some nutmeg. Of course, you can't look about porridge. I don't put nutmeg in there, guys. I just mix in. Nutmeg. I also have some mixed spice. You know, I don't really know what it's mixed with. I just buy it. I'll buy some cinnamon powder. Because I thought this was cinnamon powder till when I come home with it and realize a mixed spice. So yeah guys, porridge finished now. I will share out my much of the porridge. Smells really nice guys, and you know too I just share out and make it cool cause what do you tea? I can't manage to eat nothing too hot. Oh. You know bun me no, I dey eat off of it. Yeah, I'm gonna make it cool. I love cornmeal porridge, you know guys. Love cornmeal porridge. I think nobody love cornmeal porridge like me. See there guys. Nice cornmeal porridge. I'm gonna make it cool. Ooh, it smells good. It smells nice. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna make it cool and then eat on the live on the video for you guys. I don't want to drink it when it's hot. Like I don't like to eat something when it's really hot. Like it hurt my teeth and then it's not really good for your teeth, and then you weaken your teeth when you eat things that are too hot. So stay tuned guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Don't watch the video and not subscribe guys. Please subscribe. Let's get us to 20,000 subscribers, and then we go to 30, and then we go to 100 and 100. Hey guys, cornmeal porridge. It's supposed to cool now. Same thing. No, that drink not nani atin. Tabon me up. It's nice and really spicy. Big one. You saw me? So it's hot. Not like it hot same way. Sure. Spicy hot. So many I'm untidy. So yeah guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, hit those post notification bells. Also follow me on all socials guys. As you type in Fanika TV, you will find me guys. You will find me. So bye. Cornmeal porridge. Nice. Best porridge in the world. Oh, you know I forgot to me have bread. But bread I go spoil it.